Here's how to assemble the GFi750 Zero-Clearance box. Let's begin. First, place the base panel on a flat, firm working surface with the bent edges of the panel facing up. Next, position the rear panel on the long side of the base panel against the inside edge. Secure the rear panel with 4 blunt screws through the pre-drilled holes. Make sure to fasten the screws from the outside. They should pass through the bent edge of the base panel and the bottom edge of the rear panel, in that order. Next, position the right panel on the edge shown here. It should slide into the inside edges of both the base panel and the rear panel. Secure the right panel to the base panel with 3 blunt screws inserted through the outside of the unit, starting with the pre-drilled hole closest to the corner with the rear panel. Fasten the 4th screw from the inside of the unit. Repeat this process on the other side with the left panel. Now take a rear side channel and position it in one of the inside back corners of the unit. Secure it in place with screws through the outside. You'll find corresponding pre-drilled holes on the back and side of the unit. There are 7 in total. Repeat this process with another rear side channel in the other corner. Next, install the front side channel by placing it against the outside of one of the side panels. Align it with the 4 pre-drilled holes and secure it with screws from the inside of the unit. Simply repeat this process with the remaining front side channel on the other side. There are 2 channel pieces left. Install the front top and rear top channels like this. Secure them by fastening both sides with screws. Almost done. You're doing great. Now take the top panel and place it on the top of the unit as shown here. There are quite a few pre-drilled holes. Check to make sure they line up correctly and secure the top panel with 14 blunt screws. The L-shaped front panel is installed next. Install it like this, securing it with screws through the pre-drilled holes. Make sure to use pointed screws through the 2 holes on the lip of the panel. The top nailing strip is installed along the front of the unit. The slots in the tabs should line up with the 4 remaining pre-drilled holes along this edge. Secure the nailing strip in these places. The nailing strip can be adjusted based on the thickness of the material that you plan to install. Adjust this nailing strip forward or backward to ensure a flush finish after finishing materials are placed. There are 2 side access panels you need to install over the 2 square openings at the bottom of each side panel. For the gas line side, install the side panel as shown here, with the wide opening fully accessible, mushroom-shaped. For the other side where the electrical cord has to go, turn the second side access panel opposite direction for a smaller opening as shown here. Use the supplied grommet on this side. Now just install the front cover with 8 blunt screws around the outside, like this. And fold back the tab on the side nailing strip to prepare for frame installation.